This is exercise 6-3, creating stairs by sketch. We're going to learn how to place stairs using reference work planes. So to start, we want to activate our ground floor plan in our project browser. And we're going to zoom into the lower left corner of the building. So right about here. This is going to be our stairwell. We want to select the reference plane tool from the work plane panel on the architecture ribbon. So architecture ribbon, and we want to look for work plane panel and then the reference plane right here. We want to set the offset to 2'4" on the options bar. So up here, 2'4", this is our options bar. And we're going to select the pick lines tool from the draw panel. We're going to place a vertical reference plane 2'4" to the left of the wall where door number 4 is placed. So there's door 4. If you come and highlight over near the wall, you're going to see a hidden line that shows up. If you see it on this side, like mine's showing right now, you can go ahead and click, and that places the reference point. And now we're going to place a vertical reference line to the right of the wall where door number 6 is. Okay. Then we're going to set the offset to 4'4", and we're going to place a horizontal reference plane above window number 10. Then we want to set the offset to 7'4", and we're going to place a horizontal reference plane above the first horizontal reference plane. So just like that. So now we have 4 reference planes, 2 horizontal, and then 2 vertical are placed inside of this room. Actually, they're extending kind of far out, but it's okay. Then we're going to activate the architecture ribbon, and we want to select the stair by component tool from the circulation panel. So here's circulation, stair. Whenever you're looking for something, so see how this just says stair and has a little black arrow next to it? If you click on that arrow, it usually gives you some more options. So make sure that you click that arrow if you don't first see what you're looking for. So stair by component. And we're going to select edit type from the properties pane. We're going to change the maximum riser height to 8 inches. And we're going to set the stair width to 4 feet. So that means the width of each stair is 4 feet. And then the riser is the vertical part, so that's 8 inches. Now we're going to say OK. We're going to set the desired number of risers to 16. So over here in the properties box, we'll say 16 and hit apply. And then we're going to select the run tool from the draw panel on the ribbon. So here's the draw panel, there's my run tool. And I want to set the location line to run center in the options bar. Alright, so the run is, you'll see it's just like where the stair is going to be located, and we're going to start from the center here. So we are going to pick the first intersection point indicated for the start of the run. So it looks like this is our first point, actually is right here. And then we're going to pick the second point for the second part of our run. So you can see that in your book, and then this is our second point. And then moving clockwise, so coming over here to this point, I want to select the lower intersection point, so this one, and then pull this up and select the second intersection point. Alright, so now you can see that a U-shaped stair has been placed. So the stair, you come in through the door, you go up the stairs. We're going to select the green check mark to finish the stairs. Now we're going to select the stairs themselves, and in the properties pane we want to take a look at the actual tread depth and the actual riser height. So dimensions here, we have actual tread depth is 11 inches, and then the actual riser height is 7.5 inches. So that matches what's shown in the textbook. And then let's just take, you don't have to do this part, but I do want to show you real quick just what this looks like, what you've created. So I'm going to take a little camera view inside of the stairs, and now you can see that those are the stairs that you have created in this view. So they go up, come around, and go to the next floor. So now you see, remember when we were talking about the floors before? You can see why the floor was created the way it was, because people have to be able to come up the stairs without bumping their head on the floor. Okay, so that's the end of that exercise. And you may not always know those reference planes like we did when creating stairs, but it's just showing you multiple ways to create stairs. So, and you may have that information in advance. But if you don't, you'll create the stairs another way.